Hi everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got an unboxing for you. This is to replace something old with something that I think is a little bit better. First, I'm going to show you the old thing. This is the Staff Sergeant's grandmother's blender here. And this piece here, I don't know if you can tell, but it's kind of cloudy and everything. The last time I was cleaning it when I used it to make a milkshake, it just felt weird inside, and I figured, okay, plastic, it's probably breaking down after all these years. I need to get something a little bit more safe for it. So I got a box here, and I also have a damaged box. So I want to take a look in it. Be careful, I may have to send it back. Hope it doesn't sound broken or anything, but you never can tell. So got my handy dandy everyday carry here to open up the box. There we go. And oh man, okay, there we go. So let's take it out here, and oh, it's upside down, and just looking around at it yep, everything looks good on it. So comparison wise, this goes up to, oh, what is it? Has all sorts of markings on it. So this is a 5.5 cup. This is a 6 cup, and actually, if I was to measure it like this one here to the very top where it says 5.5, this would be 6.5. So, yeah, heavy duty, really nice, good one here. So, yeah, so now when I make the grandkids milkshakes, I can be perfectly good and confident in the quality of the container I'm using. All right, I'm going to move that out of the way. All right, so check out your kitchen appliances. If you have stuff that's plastic and it's getting old, check it. Maybe you can feel some material coming off, and it's time to get rid of it and get some either glass or stainless steel items to replace them. All right, take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.